Could your favorite meal be putting you at risk for serious health issues like cancer or even dementia? If you love goat giblets for their rich flavor and nutrients, you might be surprised to learn that when paired with certain foods, they could be doing more harm than good. What you eat with goat giblet might increase your chances of developing deadly diseases. In this video, we're going to uncover the 3 worst food pairings that could silently be damaging your health, and we'll show you the 3 best foods to eat with goat giblets to unlock amazing health benefits instead. Have you ever thought about how the foods you combine with goat giblets could be harming you? Could these meals be leading you down a dangerous path toward cancer and dementia? Stick around as we dive deep into the science behind these harmful food combinations and discover the best ways to enjoy goat giblets while protecting your health. What you'll learn could save you from making life-threatening mistakes in the kitchen. Goat giblets, though packed with iron, vitamin B12, and protein, can become a health hazard when paired with the wrong foods. When certain unhealthy foods are consumed alongside goat giblets, it can increase the risk of dementia and other cognitive disorders. These foods may raise levels of bad cholesterol and harmful fats, clogging arteries and restricting blood flow to the brain. Over time, this can cause memory loss, cognitive decline, and raise the likelihood of dementia. In this video, we'll explore the worst food combinations that could be silently pushing you toward these life-altering diseases, and we'll introduce you to the best combinations that can actually boost your health. So first worst food you should never combine with goat giblet is dairy products. Pairing goat giblet with high-fat dairy products like cream or butter can lead to a dramatic increase in cholesterol levels. Organ meats are already rich in cholesterol and saturated fats, so combining them with high-fat dairy further raises the risk of plaque formation in the arteries. This buildup can contribute to heart disease and even increase the likelihood of developing certain cancers, such as colorectal cancer. Over time, this unhealthy combination can lead to long-term cardiovascular issues, making it crucial to avoid pairing high-fat dairy with organ meats for better health. Second worst food you never combined with giblet is raw onions. Eating goat giblet with raw onions can lead to digestive discomfort due to the high sulfur compounds in onions. These compounds can interact with the rich iron content in giblets, potentially causing bloating and overall discomfort, especially when paired with iron-heavy foods, can lead to oxidative stress in the body. Third and last worst food never combine with giblet is spinach. While spinach is rich in iron and vitamins, combining it with goat giblet, which is also iron-rich, can cause an iron overload in the body. This can lead to serious health issues, including oxidative stress and damage to cells, which could increase cancer risk and contribute to cognitive decline over time. Goat giblets are packed with vitamins and minerals, but to get the most out of this nutritious food, it's all about the right combinations. Now, first best food you combined with goat giblet is citrus fruit. Lemon or lime juice squeezed over goat giblet can add brightness to the dish. The vitamin C in citrus fruits aids in the absorption of iron from the giblet, enhancing its nutritional benefits. This combination also helps balance the heavier aspects of organ meats, keeping the dish fresh and light. Second best combining food with goat giblet is sweet potatoes. These orange root vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, which gets converted into vitamin A in the body, perfect for complementing the vitamin A in goat giblets. This combination is excellent for promoting healthy skin, vision, and immune function. Plus, sweet potatoes are full of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting energy without spiking blood sugar. Third best combining food with goat giblet is garlic and ginger. Finally, the powerful duo of garlic and ginger. Both of these ingredients have incredible anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties.